Welcome to Penny for Your Shots, Conversations and Cocktails with Brilliant Women, the podcast where we uncork the stories and insights of exceptional female leaders from all walks of life. Our goal is to serve up wisdom, tips, and inspiration, and to support each other in rediscovering ourselves and what sets our souls on fire. We'll also share personal memories, paired with friends and a favorite beverage. I'm your host, Penny Fitzgerald, and I believe that the best stories are served up over a glass of wine or a cocktail. So grab a glass, get comfy, and let's pour ourselves into Penny for Your Shots. Hello, friends. Many of you have asked what's next for me and for my business, and I just wanted to share some insights and clarity. You probably know that I was a direct selling leader in my former company and that I absolutely loved it. At our peak, I had a team of roughly 650 people who edutained people through in-home wine tastings. Great job. For almost 18 years, I led one of the top 3 teams in the nation, earning 18 incentive trips and 5 elite leader retreats to fabulous destinations around the world. I met some absolutely amazing people and had the opportunity to share a fun experience with my hosts and guests who have become friends throughout the years. One of my absolute favorite things to do was support my team members in achieving their goals, training them and giving them the tools they needed to succeed. Often it was helping people take their first steps and just get started with how to find customers and start building relationships, what language to use, and create simple, repeatable systems. Sometimes it meant helping them set goals and break those down into actionable steps. Sometimes it meant casting a vision and inspiring them to believe what was possible. We often don't dream big enough. It's when we have maybe a small success, we just start to feel a spark that maybe something more is possible. We expand our capacity to act and to receive. We get brave and we start to expand. It was super exciting to watch emerging leaders reach new levels, to share in their journey, to help them grow and celebrate those successes together. I definitely want to continue that experience and to share my proven systems, tips, and language to help lift others up. One thing I still hear from direct sellers and network marketers is that they just don't want to feel salesy. They don't want to bug their friends and family, and they don't want to hustle and grind for sales. I think network marketing gets a bad rep. Unfortunately, it's a few bad actors that cause that reputation. Direct selling is a valid career and industry, but like any industry, it's all dependent on the people, the culture, the training, and you get out what you put in. When we have the right training and come at it from the right perspective, the right mindset, and possibly most importantly, the heart, you will be unstoppable. I see people posting on social media about their business and posting, and maybe worst of all, DMing with a "Hey girl" message. We've all seen them, right? "Hey girl, my leader challenged me to reach out to 5 people." Or, "Hey girl, I'd love to save you a seat on a webinar for something I'm super excited about." Or, "Hey girl, I'd love to tell you about a new business venture with a ground floor opportunity." Ew. This is partly bad training from the top down and partly a mindset issue. Where's the service in any of those messages? We mean well, we get excited about our company and our product, and we want to tell everybody about it. That's great. You need to believe in what you represent. But what can you do to flip that around to be in service rather than in sales? Another problem I see is that people are just so incredibly busy. Often direct sellers work their business as a side hustle or a part-time gig. Many have a corporate career and are busy in their personal lives as well. Most are moms. And while busy people get things done, doesn't it always seem like it's the busiest people who always do the most? Wouldn't it be great to be more efficient and to not feel like you're hustling? So many high achievers get caught at the end of the month trying to make a goal. There's a big scramble or push to make sales, or there are factors out of their control, like weather or illness cancellations from hosts and guests. How many times have you seen a post on Facebook that says, "I'm only $200 away from my goal. Who wants to help a girl out?" Well, our friends want to help and they love us. What can you do to help them? It's frustrating for the direct selling representative too, right? I know you don't want to feel like you're hustling and grinding. You don't want to bug your friends. You don't have time to reach out to 50 people in the hopes that you'll make a sale. Wouldn't it be great to just feel at ease and know that your efforts are in service of others and that those efforts work? That's why I've put together a 3-day live event to teach direct sellers and network marketers a radically different way of running your business. So it's not running you, a way of doing business that's in service of others and one you can be proud of, one that helps you reach your goals. I'll be giving you my proven language and tips for finding and serving your customers, and teaching you effective systems that save you time and help you get back to what you value most. I'm holding this event starting on Monday, August 5th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time via Zoom. My intention is to offer this as a paid course down the road. I'm offering it for now for free. You can sign up at stop-selling.pennyforyourshots.com. Again, that's stop-selling.pennyforyourshots.com. Once you sign up, check your email for more information and next steps. I hope you'll join me, and I can't wait to toast to your success. See you soon. That's a wrap on another spirited episode of Penny for Your Shots, conversations and cocktails with brilliant women. I hope you've enjoyed the intoxicating blend of wisdom, wit, and wonder that these incredible women bring to the table. Check out the show notes for links to resources referenced in today's episode. And remember to subscribe and raise a glass with me every Thirsty Thursday as we continue to serve up inspiration, celebrate resilience, and reignite the passions that set our souls on fire. If you've loved what you've heard, please share the podcast far and wide and leave a sparkling 5-star review to let me know your thoughts. It would also help tremendously if you would visit pennyforyourshots.com and subscribe to learn when new episodes are available and pick up my free recipe. In the meantime, remember that your story deserves to be served and savored. Cheers to your brilliance and of women everywhere. Until next time, keep sipping and experiencing life's extraordinary moments. This is Penny for Your Shots, signing off with a clink and a toast to us. Cheers.